Young Nails February sale is here. Check this out. All professional kits are 25% off. Young Nails manicure and pedicure kit also 25% off. All of Young Nails nail art is 25% off. Gem stickers, gel paints, Mylars, and glitters. All Young Nails press-ons are 25% off. Also, any order over $50 gets a free Young Nails rescue patch. Gift with purchase. And don't forget, the entire site, 2x multiplier. So whatever you purchase, you get double the points. Purchase $100, get $200 in points. Young Nails sale goes from February 18th at 12 p.m. Pacific all the way to February 22nd at 11:59 p.m. Get your kits, get your nail art, get your press-ons, all at 25% off. Please do not miss this sale.
It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. Young Nails. What's on sale? It's time for sale. 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 Get that sale.